A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. As you know, our first term exams are over. Now we are going to proceed our second term. So let us start with English 2, class 2nd, chapter 8, Clever Hassan. These are the characters in this chapter: Hassan, Barber, Qazi. Here you have to see the picture of Hassan. He is the poor man. Barber, he is the cunning man. Qazi. Here you have to see, I have written some hard words. Those are come in these chapters. So read these word meanings first. Cunning, that is clever person. Qazi, judge. Dinar, currency of Iraq. Merchant, someone who buys and sells things. Cheated, trick with someone. Unload, take off a load. So it's my request to all the students, please learn these word meanings thoroughly. That will be help you for understanding the chapter easily. So let us start our chapter. Page number 60, Clever Hassan. Long ago, there lived a barber. He had a shop in the market of the city. The barber was very cunning. He fooled and cheated people. Where is the shop of barber? Yes, barber shop was in the main market. He was very cunning person, very clever person. He fooled the people, he cheated the people with his tricks. One day Hassan came to the market to sell his goods. His donkey was loaded with all kinds of pots and pans. Hassan looked simple and poor. The barber saw Hassan and thought of a plan. He asked Hassan, "What is the price of your goods? First tell me, which ones you want?" said the Hassan. He replied, "All that you have. Give me 50 dinar and all is yours," said the Hassan. Hassan is very happy with this deal. He took the money and began to unload the donkey. "Why are you unloading? You have sold all that you have. This way the donkey also becomes mine," said the barber. Poor Hassan did not know what to do. He started crying. Many people gathered around him. The Qazi was called to decide the matter, to solve the disputes among them. The barber told his story. Hassan explained what he had meant. The Qazi thought for a while and then he told to Hassan, "You did not make a clear deal." So Hassan had no choice. He left everything and went home very sad. But Hassan couldn't forget this matter. He kept on making plans to teach him a lesson to barber. One day, Hassan dressed up like a rich merchant. Hassan came and dressed up like a rich merchant. He went to barber shop and said, "I am a merchant. My partner is with me. We both want a haircut." The barber was happy to see this rich merchant. He said, "I shall 100 charges of 100 dinar for both of you." Then Hassan said, "Money is not a matter, not a problem. Do a good job." Then barber was very happy with this deal. The barber gave a very smart haircut to the merchant and he asked, "Sir, where is your partner?" Hassan said, "He is standing outside." The barber went out and saw a donkey standing in the middle of the road. He was shocked. "I don't give haircut to donkey," he shouted. "The deal was made by you. The donkey is my partner in business. You have to give him a haircut now." Now the barber realized who the merchant was. The fight started among them. Once again people gathered and called the Qazi for solve out the problem, the dispute among them. This time Qazi said barber was at fault. Barber had been fooled. The barber had to stand in the market and give the donkey a haircut. Everybody laughed and laughed. At last, he agreed to return Hassan's donkey to him. Hassan went home very happy. The barber stopped fooling people. So students, what we have to learn in this lesson? We should not cheat it or fool other people. Or as you saw, so shall you read. Hope you understood this chapter easily. Read it once again and follow and read this word meaning properly. Okay, dear student, this is your homework of chapter 8, Clever Hassan's homework exercise A, B, C, D, F on page number 63 and 64. Workbook also you have to do exercise A and B. So note it on your notebook. Thank you.